In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low GPU usage in games. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go down here at the very bottom on your Windows computer, and you want to go into search and just type in Advanced System Settings. There we go. What you want to then click is this View Advanced System Settings inside Control Panel, and when you click on it, if you're not the admin, you may have to put in your PIN of your computer. If you don't have to and this pops up, that's cool as well. Now, once you are inside the System Properties, you want to navigate to Advanced, which is top middle option, and then under Performance, you want to go inside Settings. Inside over here, you want to click Advanced, which is the second tab in the middle over here, and from here, where it says virtual memory, you want to click change. Now inside this little box over here, what we're going to do is first untick this box which says automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. So uncheck this, and after that you will either see one disk or two disks in case you have more. So first you want to position yourself at the primary disk of your computer, so it's usually going to be the C drive, and then what you want to do is click on it and then click over here where it says custom size. When you click this, you'll be able to put in the initial size and maximum size, and what you want to do is put 4096 in both of them, okay? So 4096. After you've done this, you want to click on set over here, and this will get set, okay? Now, after that, you want to basically, so when you click set, just like this, what you want to do is click on the other disk you may have over here. So for example, you have the D drive or E or whatever you may have. Click on that second disk if you do have it, and then click no paging file over here, and then click set again. So your primary drive, which is usually the C drive, should be set to this thing over here, as you can see on my screen. So it should be 4096 by 4096. And then the second one, so the D drive or whatever you have, should be on no paging file. So basically, you want to click this and then click yes. Now, after this, you simply have to press OK, restart your computer, and your work here is done. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.